guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's makeup tutorial, which is on this makeup look that was requested from my previous video. I did do a what was the video? Hot new makeup launches, that kind of like revamped anti-haul series that I have going on. If you haven't watched it, it is a video before this one. I was very surprised that some of you requested this look and you said that please if I could do a tutorial on how I did the look, that you guys really liked it. And over on my Spanish beauty channel it was also requested a lot, so I was like, okay, I mean, everyone's requesting it, let me do this tutorial for you guys. Personally, I love when you request videos because it helps me when I'm sometimes blanked out on what videos to do. Although right now I feel like I'm very behind on videos. I have been buying so much makeup that I literally need to stop, and I haven't even like finished doing all the videos for you guys from the stuff that I bought from my last haul, and I'm already going to do a new haul. I need to catch up. I'm really trying. And I feel like I've been having a lot of videos for you guys. I'm trying to be very consistent. So yeah, I decided to do this makeup look. That look actually was not even anything that was supposed to happen to that look. I started off with this color from the So Jaded palette from Kathleenlights and Colourpop. This color right here, which is called Amethyst. And please excuse my nails, I will be getting them done tomorrow. This color is so unique. Nothing like this I have in my collection, and I was so intrigued to use it that day. So I did that color in my crease, and I was so into the TV show I was watching that I just went down a rabbit hole of like palettes, purple colors, glitters, and I came out with something like this on that day. When I was done with the makeup, I was like, excuse me, what happened here? We were going for a simple natural look, and then we had this full-blown glitter, sparkly, purpley goodness. I'm very happy with how the look came out. I did pay more attention today, obviously, as to what I did. It does look a bit more pinky and not like super deep purple, but I did everything the same or as close as possible as I did in that look. I mean, I don't really remember. I was very into the show, but I remember the stuff I used, so I tried to recreate it as best as I possibly could. I feel like this one has a little more pop of pink and it's just a little more vibrant, which personally I'm loving. I still feel like it looks the same as it did in that video. So yeah, the only thing different I would say is my hair. I don't have my ponytail because I am air drying my hair. This is how my hair looks when it's air drying, and it air dries pretty quickly. But anyways, enough of that chit chat. If you guys would like to see how I did this makeup look, then just keep on watching. hope you guys enjoyed this look. Thank you guys so much for requesting it. For the ones that did request it, here it is. I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you did. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Like always, I will see you all in my next video. Bye.